Hello, welcome back. For those of you new to the channel, this is episode 6 of my cycle trip to the north of the Netherlands. If you want to catch up on the previous episodes, please go to the channel and there's a whole load of other videos you can catch up on. I'll be very much obliged if you like and subscribe. We're nearly up to 500 subscribers and I'm getting increasingly excited as each of the videos are uploaded. Anyway, I left the tent at the campsite and decided to go exploring today. So I'm travelling light. It's still a bit breezy, but it was a lovely sunny day. So I had no real fixed agenda other than sort of that lovely feeling of I can go anywhere I like. So I passed a lake and a nice beach and headed into Appingedam, where I saw a market, then out to Delfzijl, which is as far as I could go before I sort of ran out of land in the Netherlands. And then rather unimaginatively, I just turned around and cycled back the way I came, which is the safest way of finding your way back to the campsite. So once again, these interesting cycle routes, lovely lifting bridge here, and by the side of the lake was a beach of white sand, looked very enticing. I've taken the GoPro with me this time just to see if I could do a little bit more filming and make it a bit more interesting for yourselves, so you're not encumbered with all your panniers and your luggage. So I hadn't done any research as to where to go or what to see, just jumped on the bike and went. I was a bit nervous as to why this gentleman was standing here with the road blocked as to whether I was allowed to go or not, so I stopped in any case, just in case. And as it was first thing in the morning, the markets were just setting up. The usual sorts of things you see at the market. Straight in front is a cheese stall. See, it's still very breezy. So after leaving the market, I went for a bit of a nose round into the centre, which is the more historic core. And one of the things I found out is that some of the houses, the more historic houses fronting the canal, are renowned for having kitchens that overhang the canal. And I did read the reason why they had the kitchens overhanging the canal, but I can't remember. It was something along the lines of if they catch fire, then it's a bit safer or something like that. I can't quite remember. But you can see here these houses are a little bit more age to them. There are the kitchens that are hanging out the back of the buildings. I imagine they could throw all their rubbish straight into the canal. And I followed the canal that led all the way to the sea. once the wind was on my back. Thought I'd try out some hero shots, the obligatory hero shots. I seem to have a bad smell under my nose for some reason. I'm not sneering, that is my natural look. And a bit of a busman's holiday there, taking photographs of a new roundabout going in. And then regularly I was passed by older people on bicycles. They're whiz past, and then you think, why are they going so fast? And you realise they're on electric bikes. But I think this couple were genuinely on old school push bikes, and they were still in front of me. Heading into Delfzijl. I went a bit off piste. Trying to find the centre. You can see here the canal widens out. Much bigger ships, boats, I have to say. So this port lies on the northern coast of the Netherlands, Delfzijl, and inevitably there's a windmill in the background. And although it was a bright sunny day, it was still a chilly wind, and I nipped into Albert Heijn, grabbed an apple and a salad. Got myself out of the wind, had a bit of lunch. I think overall in the trip and the course of the 10 days or so, I managed to lose something along the lines of about 4 kilos. Might have been a bit more than that, but sorry to say it's all gone back on again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. A little bit more of the trip, more to come. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to you joining me next time.